When you're preparing for exam, there are 4 words which affect your preparation more than anything else. What if I fail? These 4 words affect your preparation more than the syllabus or the difficulty of the exam. This thought always troubles you. What if I fail? These 4 words make you very scared. Even if you have the ability, the thought of what if I fail destroys your confidence. It destroys your learning. It gives all the focus only on the result. You will not think about the process of learning, the process of educating yourself, the process of preparation for the exam. See, in CS it is a self-learning course. Yes, you may take coaching, you may take online coaching, offline coaching, but end of the day you are educating yourself. This thought blocks you from reaching your potential. When I talk to students, the central idea when they're studying is always around this thought. What if I fail? As though the failure is the sun and all the other things around it is like the planet. But then when you are studying, your sun, your central idea should be, how do I learn the subject? This makes you stressed. The thought of what if I fail will make you stressed. You don't enjoy the process of learning. These 4 words, what if I fail, creates a big wall between you and the subject. It creates a big wall between you and the process of learning. I see this more in students who have failed 2 to 3 attempts. This thought will affect you more than anything else. You will think, I have already failed 2-3 times, I have already written 2-3 times. What if I fail again? What you have now is time. So use every minute to prepare for the exam, not thinking of what if I fail. That will limit your potential. So I hope you will stop thinking and start studying, and you have the potential to clear this exam.